I'm Tesla Webb.
And I'm Daniel Hornberger.
And this is our augmented reality Sandbox project.
As you can see, it's interactive, so you can move the sand and it redraws the topography according to the height of the sand. And it updates real time.
It's really fun. The way that it works is that this Xbox 360 Connect camera viewer reads in the height of the sand in a grid, and it sends that data to the computer. The computer processes and analyzes using vectors and matrices and all kinds of crazy math. But don't worry about that. We didn't write any of that code, we just stuck it on there.
We pulled all the code for this project is pulled from UC Davis. It's open source code by graduate students. Very complex code, but we took it and we modified it. So there is a feature on here. If you stretch your hand above, it rains water, and the water follows the contour of the topography. But we added a feature that we can turn that water into lava by pushing a button.
So then, when you spread your fingers out, you get a volcano! It's so cool. So, this feature lets you simulate, hey, here's how a volcano really works. And all that data that it's getting and analyzing is sent to the projector. And the projector throws down the lines and the colors to make a pretty realistic idea of what's happening.
Yeah, so the process of building this, we built all of the sandbox and the stand, and we had to make sure that we got the aspect ratio to match how the field of view of the Xbox Connect as well as the projector. It's a 3:4 ratio, and the trick was to get this input to map up with the projector's output. And we had to follow a process of calibration to do that.
This was a little tricky because the Connect camera wanted to be right in the middle, but the projector throws down and up, so it had to be on the edge. But we got it all hooked up, and it's behaving great, and we can create and destroy universes. Well, maybe islands.
One thing that's kind of interesting to note is in the process of calibration, we use this device here. It's just a CD with a center point on it, and we get a base plane so that it sets the sea level, the base level, and then we have to set this at different points and take snapshots of it where it measures the center of the circle, and then it uses that to form a matrix of values so that it's accurate and calibrated so that the topography can match up and map in line with the sand. This is a really important part so that it's actually realistic and you can actually use it as a learning tool.
And once everything's all calibrated, it looks like the projector knows exactly where the Connect is and can draw lines just right on top of the sand. It's a really fun project, so stay in school, kids.
It's worth it. Thank you.